لما أنت can and could versus will and would معزن نتكمل لهم زولو نجاراتنا خلينا مالتيو so كل جزء past tense نعلل الخص present تعلل present نحسوكم سل future يزعل الموت شرافة خم ما حشو زلني نايتين استمرت معزنا خطنا زلكا قال لكم كومنت قبل لينرهم here is its time جزيوز أخلا مثلني لما أنت we're going to see the difference between can and could versus will and would. Yeah, so follow attentively and then I'm going to give you English in a very simple way. إنجليزية بزغلة من قدي كنرينا مالتي. Hello everyone, this is English with our YouTube channel. Let's get started. كان مالت مخال مالتي. كان منس مخال. كولو ما أنت لنا جو كان منس مخال مخانو زي فلت وناي نورن زي فلت أنت ليجن كان منس مخال مالتي. It expresses about ability and permission. Ability خلتن فقادن يزجلز ability and permission يزجلز مالتي ability and permission يزجلز زالوا مالتي yeah it is ability and permission yeah can is about ability and permission ability من سكيلت مالتي permission مالت فقاد مالتي كيلت كون كله خمايو فقاد كون كله خمين عندكم زولو نجارات we are going to see it right away حج خنرينا مالتي لعنت hey teacher affe that's okay أنا إنجليزية مزرعة خيلة تقولون ترى لكم خما يخم تولو أنا مزرعة إنجليزية يخيلية أنا يخيلة إنجليزية مزرعة example I can speak English تقول لهم مالتي I can speak English yes simply نسا مكينا drive مقبارة تخيلية she drive a car. Very good. She can drive a car to she can drive a car or I can speak English and she can drive a car. Very lovely of you. What about oh لو ما أنت من رخام نخلينات أجمع يقولون أنت شرافة كلاسي لو ما أنت خدخوني يزدلي we can meet today نقول لنا ماتي we can meet today. Very good. We can meet today بنس لو ما أنت كن الرخاب نخلينا مالتي بزعبة ability بزعبة مخال كن الزارب كلنا we can use the sentence in this way. What about how are we going to change these sentences for permission? نفرض جن خمينا نغير نتلكم permission كل جزء كان النبل خايز جمر مالتي. For example, you can speak English. I know them. You can speak English. English نعم زرار تخلدو. Yeah. You can go now or you can start. I know them. It's you. بغير متى يكون الزخون. It's subject أو غير متى يكون الزخون because we are changing it for permission نغيره سلزلنا مالتي. So, for example, how are we going to use or to change it? Can. For example, can you speak English? English نعم زرار تخلدو. Can you speak English? Yes. Yes. Can you speak English? إنجليزية مزرعة تخلده. تزي خويني you can speak English I know them. جنساتنا هنا بحطه تغيير زرلان بر تحطه تخلي يكون الماتي. So can you speak English أنت لهم إنجليزية كذا تزارب تخلدها. Alright okay. خلينا نجمر نخل دينا. Can we start? Thank you very much. Can we start now? Can we start now? أنت لهم حجي خلينا نجمر نخل دينا مالتيو. Very nice. What about when are you going to use the word could? Could خام عازينا نتكلم. Could نايكان حلفيو. Could نايكان حلفيو. Yeah. Past possibilities gets لنا. Past possibility. Past ability. خلتيهم حد عينتيهم. نقرقن إذا ناي present يزجلس لنا. إذا كان ناي past سلز جلس لنا مالتيو. Yeah. Past ability or possibility. Yes. قدم ما يخل نيرة كوية. قدم ده خمس جبر نيرة كوية. قدم تزخونكو خمس محاسبكو. قدم خمس خونكو عصابي مغيركو. جلا خنبل نتكاملوا مالتيو. For example, I can speak English. إنجليزية كزارة بخيلة. Oh, if I had started learning English before, قدم حكي إنجليزية بمهارة تزجمر نيرة. إنجليزية كزارة بخيلة نيرة يا. I could speak English. English كزارة بنيرة يا. Because it is possibility or possibility. Possibility سلز الزارة بزلو يو مالتي. Yeah. Oh my goodness. She can drive a car. Oh, right now. ሕጂ ኣይትኽእልን yes ቅድሚ ሕጂ ትሬኒንግ ወሲዳ ተትነብር ነይራ ግን she could drive a car ንብል ማለት እዩ she could drive a car if she had taken any driving training she could drive a car መኪና ክትዝውር ነይራ እያ መኪና ምዝዋር ጎበዝ ትኸውን ነይራ እያ ማለት እዩ yes okay possibility ማለት ናይ ምዃን ተኽእሉ ጸቢብ ድዩ ዓቢ ድዩ ይገልጸልና ማለት እዩ ንኣብነት if you had started earlier ቀዲሙ ተዝጅመር ነይሩ ሕጂ ወይ ከዓ ኣርፊዱ ተዝጅመር ነይሩ ብጣዕሚ ኸረፍድ ነይሩ እዩ ክድንጉ ነይሩ እዩ ደንጉ ክበጽሕ ነይሩ he could be late ንብል ማለት እዩ he could be late ነገር ግን እዚ ሰብዚ ኣብ ሰዓቱ ስለ ዝጀመረ he arrived on time ማለት እዩ okay there is a flight change but if there was no flight change ናይ በረራ ለውጥ ተዘይህሉ ነይሩ ትማሊ ክንበጽሕ ነይርና ኢና we could arrive yesterday ማለት እዩ we could arrive yesterday so it means can present ይገልጸልና ኣሎ present ability and present permission could ግን ናይ ሕሉፍ past ability and past possibility ይገልጸልና ማለት እዩ thank you very much this is English with Alpha YouTube channel let's see the difference between will and would right away ሕዚ ድማ will and would ኣፋላላይ ከነሪና ከነን could ኣፋላላይ ከም ዝረአና ሕዚ ድማ I bring you the difference between will and would ናይ willን ናይ woodን ኣፋላላይ ከነሪና ማለት እዩ will እንታይ እዩ would እንታይ እዩ will ማለት ብዛዕባ future ይገልጸልና ማለት እዩ will ምንስ ብዛዕባ future ይገልጸልና will expresses about future decision ናይ ቀጻሊ ውሳነ ወይ ከዓ it expresses about premise ቃል ክንኣቱ ከለና ዝንገብሮ ነገር እዩ ማለት እዩ structure ከመይ እዩ will subject ትጥቀሙ plus will plus object ማለት እዩ subject plus will plus object for example somebody can call you right now ሕዚ ይድውለልኩም while you are just leading a meeting or while you are in a class or while you are at work ስራሕ ከለኹም ሰብ ይድውለልኩም ሞ hey I'm so sorry ጸኒሐ ክድውለልካየ ክንብል ተሪልና ቀላል ያ I call you later ኣብዚ ግዴታ ከኣት ዝግበኦ ቃል ኣሎ I will call you later very good so will now future ኣይርና ኣለና ማለት እዩ it is future decision ኣቀጻሊ ዝትውስንዎ እዩ ወይ ከዓ እዚ promise እዩ ከም ትድውልወሉ እዩ ዘርኤና ዘሎ ማለት እዩ okay for example ንሓደ መሓዛኹም I have got or I just got registered at English with Afe English zone ኣብ ናይ እንግሊዝኛ English with Afe ትምህርቲ ቤት እንግሊዝኛ ንኽወስድ ያው ተመዝጊበ ኣለኹ ኣብዚ ብዘሎ ናይ ዋትስኣፕ ነምበር English with Afe ንኽምህረኒ ተስማዕሚዕና ኣለና እቲ ትሬኒንግ ድማ ካብ 3 ክሳብ 6 ወርሒ እቲ ትሬኒንግ ዝወስድና ክጅምር ብጣዕሚ ተሃንጥየ ዘለኹ I am eager ትብሎሞ መዓዝ ኢኻ ትጅምር ዘለኻ ትብል ኢሉ ሓተኩም እንታይ ትምልስሉ ኣነ ጽባሕ ክጅምር ክትብሎ ደሊኹም I dash tomorrow I start tomorrow ኣብዚ ዝኣቱ ቃል I will start tomorrow ኸውን ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ I will start tomorrow ትብሎ ኣለኹም ማለት እዩ I will start tomorrow ትብሎ ኣለኹም ማለት እዩ guys thank you very much then let's go alright okay so why don't you start English language practice or why don't you start English class እንግሊዝኛ ክላስ ንምንታይ ኢኻ ዘይትጅምር ገለብለኩም ዝኾነ ሰሙ መዓዝ ሞ ክጅምር that's okay you can be starting today or you can start today ሕጂ ንምንታይ ዘይትጅምር ብለኩም then let me think about it that's okay who's going to teach me is that teacher Afe ባዕሉ ድዩ ከምህረኒ ገለገለ ትብልሞ that's okay ባዕሉ ከምህረካ እዩ ብዘብዚ ዘሎ ስልክ ቁጥር ደውለሉ alright okay እሞ ኻሊከ ኣነ ክሕግዘካ I will support you ትብሉ ኣለኹም ማለት እዩ I support you ግዴታ ኣብዚ future tense ካኣቱ ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ I will support you ትብሉ ኣለኹም ማለት እዩ yeah very good yes very good so will is future decision or promise ይኸውን ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ let's see when are we going to use the word would yeah would yeah قرش تزلون نيرو اسكولو if I had money قرش تزلون نيرو ها خجمر نيريا I would start because it is would ንምንታይ ይዝገልጽ imagination ይዝገልጽ imagination بحسب ዝተኾነዎ ነገር ከም ዝኸውን ነይሩ ከም ዝገብር ነይረ ከም ዝትገብር ነይራ ከም ዝኽትፍጽም ነይራያ it is an imagination situation ማለት እዩ imagine ዝኾነ situation ወይ ከዓ polite request ንምጥያቕ ድማ ክንጥቀመሉ ንኽእልና ማለት እዩ polite request ድማ ክንጥቀመሉ ንኽእልና ሕጂ ግን imagination ንራ if I had money ኣስተዝህልወኒ ነይሩ ሕጂ ይብልኹም so I would start ክጅምር ነይረ yes okay so what about ንሱ እንታይ ኢልና መሲልካ እንግሊዝኛ እኮ ክጅምር ነይረ ግን ግዜ ይብለኝ ገለገለኽ yeah he said he would start learning he said he would start learning very good he said he would start learning so እንታይ ኢልኩም ክጅምር እኮ ነይረ የባቲ okay so let's see the polite request ከመይ ዝቕየር yeah مجمرها نيرها تمعصم خفت كان نيرها صراحه نيرها would you start تقول لهم مالتي would you start means تجمر نيرها يا مالتي يا would you do it هتقورا نيرها ديخا مالتي اوكي استي انت حتى كم تمرتي خجمر imagination يلنا لنا yes اي متسمع معتن سكولن نسا شي اي متسمع معتن she will not agree تما future is غوزله قلنا imagination غيروه she wouldn't means would not مالتي she wouldn't agree I'm تسمع مع تنبل على مالتي guys this is English with Afi YouTube channel subscribe زي قبركم نايدول ملكت بمتوى subscribe من واركال subscribe زي قبركم guys دمام we are having a very based class زقرم class يزالنا زقرم training Here, I've done my lecture. In the next class, this is 2026. This is a time of change. This is a time of practice. This is a time of English. Let's practice. Let's get change. See ya.